Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right net for the species and the water depth, because size and mesh control catch and drag. Once done, inspect the lead line and hand loop for knots, replace damaged sections so you don't lose a throw. Make a compact coil of the hand line in your non-throwing hand. This prevents tangles. Then assume a side-on stance with a firm foot plant, swing the net out and back, and prepare to cast in a smooth, accelerating motion. You now focus on the release and why it matters. A clean release makes the net open fully. First, split the net into 2 even wings with your fingers. Hold the hand line in your throwing hand. Drive the arm forward with a wrist flick, accelerating so the net leaves your hand at full extension. This creates centrifugal force that opens the circle. Make sure to aim slightly upwind or upstream because the net will drift. Practice 10 to 20 throws to refine timing and distance control. You finish by letting the net sink for a few seconds so fish move into the pockets, then pull the hand line steadily to close the circle and gather the lead line evenly. Once the leads converge, work fish toward the center and lift smoothly to shore or boat. Jerky pulls let them escape. Make sure to rinse, dry, and lightly salt the net after use to prevent mildew. Troubleshooting tip: if the net refuses to open, check for hidden tangles in the wings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.